Hi guys, welcome to my channel Craft and Dia. You are watching now the Dia Gesso idea you can made at home. Dia Gesso, easy Dia Gesso, new videos every day. You can made at home your Gesso paste. Two ingredients only. Let's make homemade. Let's make Gesso. You are watching the idea of the handmade homemade gesso paste. You can made the different items, different decoration items with the gesso paste. You are watching on the screen different type of the vase and decoration items, different plant pot and different uh, organizers made with the gesso paste. You are watching the leaves and the bowls and flower pot and different beautiful unique items. You are watching the leaf and you are watching the foot made with gesso. You are watching new and unique ideas, beautiful ideas. You are watching six new ideas of gesso decoration piece making. You are watching uh, mm, you are watching the birds made with the gesso. You are watching another decoration piece made with the gesso paste. You are watching uh, different candle lamp made with gesso. You are watching another heart shape uh, showpiece. You are watching the couple of uh, you are watching a couple uh, flower pot made with gesso. You are watching kettle and two cups made with the gesso. You are watching the swan made with gesso paste. Beautiful, simple and easy idea. You are watching the beautiful decoration piece. You are watching uh, a woman reading book made with gesso. You are watching candle lamp made with gesso. You are watching another idea of gesso